Welcome, today I am with OPPO A15s and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, we are going to start from the photo mode. When we are here, we can quickly increase or decrease the brightness level. Take a look. You have to tap on the screen and then move this sun icon. You can also increase by moving this sun icon like that. To adjust automatically, just tap on the screen. The same we can make in the video mode. So tap on the screen and then move this sun icon. As you can see, it's very simple. The next option that you can use in the video and the photo mode, you have to tap right here on these three circles and we can change the color and the temperature. Okay, right now let's switch to the photo mode and take a look, it works the same. Okay, right now I'm gonna turn it off and go for the normal mode. Another option that we can use in the photo mode, you have to tap on these three lines in the right upper corner and we can add timer. So for example, we can add delay 3 or 10 seconds. Let's tap on the shutter and after this time, photo will be taken. Right now we can go for the more modes when we can find, for example, Google Lenses. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data to use this feature. You have to accept all permissions when you are opening this application for the first time. And right now, if you are looking for something, for example, I would like to get more information about this Logitech mouse. So what I have to do, take a look. You have to just point your camera on the object, and when you see this blue highlight dot, you have to tap on the shutter. And right now we can find the exact model of our mouse. It's Logitech B100. You can also go for the other options. Right here you can go for the search, text, you can translate. As you can see, there is few different options that you can try. Right now we are going for the settings, where we can find, for example, the volume bar function. Let me just increase the brightness level a little bit. Okay, so when you move this option, currently is set up on the shutter, so when I press volume up or down button, I can take photo by pressing on these buttons. But honestly, I would like to show you how zoom feature looks. Take a look right now. When you press volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in to 5 times and also zoom out for 1x to the normal wide lens. We can also find fingerprint shooting. When you enable this option and then press on your fingerprint, take a look, you can use this fingerprint as a shutter. So just simply touch it and the photo will be taken. Let's take a look what we can find here also. We can also use this option, touch to take photo. So for example, if you cannot reach this shutter, you can tap whatever on the screen and take photo. So in this smartphone we can find few ways to take photo: standard shutter, screen shutter, fingerprint shutter, and also the volume buttons. The last option we can find right here is the Gridlines. So when you enable this option, you will find these help lines on the screen and they help us to take better composition on our photos. For example, I would like to get this logo in the middle. And that's how easy we can make it. So yeah, as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.